se nedostal koupit.
Já tam to spadne na paní. No.
Oh, okay, see how is the polystyrene will hit. Oh, but see, when he put the polystyrene down, everything fell.
I think that pink umbrella is not really helping the lady.
Now they will have to do some overtime
Yeah, maybe.
to go get the polystyrene back.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh, poor guys, poor guys. But it's dangerous here.
The price of the building is dropping
But the,
like the polystyrene.
Way.
Oh my god.
oh gosh, poor guys. They should save their lives. Oh gosh. Oh.
Look at this. Look.
Hele.
Yeah.
Make video of this. You can see the real.
They will have a lot of work to do now.
Yeah. Or they will.
Man, it looks like snowing.
No much work. Czechs will steal the polystyrene and they will bring you one.
Oh fuck.
Everywhere. Did you see?
But nobody helps them, you know.
But what can they do, man? It's
Yeah, it's dangerous also be there, you know. Yeah.
shit.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Oh well. Oh fucking, they had laid everything.
And the company is insured for storms, whatever.
Maybe not. Right?
Oh, look,
He puts the polystyrene, he always puts one, but it's like light.
Oh, poor guys.
Look,
It was completely covered with the grain.
and now it's
Yeah, their big work.
They're gonna have some overtime collecting.
Yeah. No, they will not. Chicks will steal the polystyrene.